most important challenges are won without ever stopping. This is how the people of transport and logistics act, with their engines always running, in the front line to face our times. Alice represents these values, this determination. Our road haulers, our drivers, our seafarers and logistics operators have fought, together with doctors, health and law enforcement officers, the hardships of the pandemic, becoming the link with the citizens, connecting our territories, filling our shelves and our homes with every necessary good, keeping the country alive. Today we give space for optimism. We want to take our future back into our hands. We want to offer hope and opportunities to our companies and our young people. For 5 years, Alice has been a concrete participant in the evolution of the Italian economy, creating a system for companies, ports, interports and all the parts of the logistics chain, fueling the green development of the maritime, road and rail markets. 18,000 member companies, 210,000 workers, an aggregate turnover of 40 billion. A cluster that has revolutionised the way of transporting goods, making attractive a fundamental sector for the socio-economic development of our country. Alice is excellence and innovation. The companies we represent are protagonists of profound transformations. Sustainable development and the promotion of intermodality are the very essence of our action. And every day we are committed to fighting and limiting polluting emissions. Alice members are at the forefront in Italy and worldwide. The ships in the Alice cluster are the most modern and sail the seas in the name of sustainability and efficiency. In the road and rail sector, we are accompanying companies on the difficult path of ecological and digital transition, encouraging the modernisation of the circulating fleet, rolling stock and equipment. Despite the staggering increase in the cost of raw materials, fuel and energy, our associates are able to offer extremely competitive services compared to those applied by other modes of transport. Thanks to maritime and rail intermodality, in just 1 year our cluster has diverted 5.6 million trucks, equivalent to 134 million tonnes of freight, cutting over 4.8 million tonnes of CO2 emissions and generating cost savings of environmental externalities of over 2.2 billion euros. Alice appreciates the efforts of the government and political forces, and that's why we constantly nurture a dialogue with the public sector. We are committed every day to the global trailerization of freight logistics and on the strength of the successful experience of the Mare Bonus and Ferro Bonus, which have represented a very important lever for the national economy. We continue to hope for a stable and structured system of public incentives, with at least 100 million per year for each measure, in addition to the necessary state support for the renewal of heavy vehicles. With Alice Europe, we strengthen the dialogue with European institutions on a daily basis by analysing dossiers and contributing to the achievement of international targets. With Alice Academy, we guarantee concrete answers to old and new generations of students and workers, supporting them every day in targeted training courses and specialised job placement in our companies. With more than 14 million views, Ali's channel has become the first association television entirely dedicated to the world of transport and logistics. With in-depth economic, political and current affairs coverage, it turns the spotlight on our sector every day, reporting on the country and its evolution. With Alice Magazine, we have decided to bring the excellence of Made in Italy, the stories of successful entrepreneurs, a different narrative of a lively and dynamic sector into our homes and onto our desks. We are helping to make professions that are of vital importance to the social development of our country attractive. Alice is not only transport and logistics. With Alice for the Social, here in Verona, we wanted to enhance the activities of those who every day are engaged in charitable activities in favour of the whole community. In this particular historical moment, Alice keeps a high attention. We encourage the work of national associations of reference And never as today, we are close to the Ukrainian people that we will support with concrete actions to affirm a social and cultural model aimed at the common good. We are believing in more than just an association. We are believing in the strength of new proposals. We are believing in ourselves, in an Italian history of excellence. Alice Today is an ambitious mission. Alice Today is a journey. Alice Today is our time. Alice is Italy on the move.